living life like a high life. Everything is just top notch. I can make it to the finish line completely effortless. I can see you on the seaside, straight back like a bright one. Let me know what you're thinking of when your eyes are closed. I need to find out what's hiding underneath, 'cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on. So hear me say, your info is my power, baby. Only a matter of time before you're mine. To disturb you, got a flame that will burn you. Take your time and let it out. Speak up your mind. Know the truth can be hurtful. Take us down to the bottom. Don't ignore what's in front of you. I could be the one. Your lips are silent, but I hear you. 'Cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on. So hear me say, your info is my power, baby. Only a matter of time before you're mine. I know people have tried, but none of them is like me, yeah. A fraction of time will never be enough to read your map. 'Cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on.
Stop me just a second away from all the pain. You told me if I leave then no one gains, and it feels like you smashed me with a hammer. I'm ready to see we fell apart. I'm ready to believe you have a heart. And then you said, hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can fight it and keep it. We'll get back home again. I said, hey, you found me like in fiction, but I'm ready to see we're both a part of it. Could be the start of it, 'cause I know you're the missing piece of puzzle. You're the queen of my car, so you're in my heart, heart. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. back home again. Oh, I'm feeling a wind. There's a storm coming in to break it tonight. Oh, but I'm sure we will win. Just pushing it in. Oh, tonight. He said, hey, as he stopped me just a second.
Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light from another universe where the stardust and kryptonite